Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create directions in Google Map. So I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step, so don't you worry about anything. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section. And now let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Google Maps and then search for the location you want to have a direction, or you want to create direction of. So let me just choose a random random location. So let me just choose this Funland over here, and then once you choose it, it will prompt up like this, and over here you'll be having option which says direction. Just press on it and then it will automatically create direction like this. You can have the car one, you can have the train, or you can have the walking one as well. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.